Ever wonder why restaurant steak always tastes fresher and juicier? It's no magic, it's a move chef called Baste and Tilt. Baste and Tilt. Let's create. Top sirloin. Top sirloin. Lean, flavorful, and affordable. We're going to turn this into something that tastes like a $50 steakhouse cut. All you need is salt, pepper, which I crunch, garlic, unsalted butter, and rosemary. You can use thyme too. Pat your sirloin dry because moisture kills your sear. And you're going to pat this steak in both sides, okay? In both sides. Season generously with salt and with your cracked pepper. And you're going to do this in both sides. Be generous, okay? Be generous. Let it sit at room temperature for at least 15 minutes. Start with a high smoke point oil, like avocado, maybe canola. Drop your steak and don't touch it, okay? Just drop it. And let it cross form. Let the cross form, okay? You will know when it's ready to flip, when it releases easily. But in this case, I'm going to let it cook for about 2, maybe 3 minutes, due to the type of stove I have. Flip it. Now comes the move that changes everything. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, cup of crust, garlic, and I'm going to add my rosemary, okay? And I'm going to let the butter melt. As the butter melts, tilt your pan toward you. So it pulls at the bottom. Then you spoon the hot butter. The hot aromatic butter over the top again and again. That flavor. That's how chefs do it. I always rest your steak for about 5 to 8 minutes so the juices redistribute. See that? Juicy, buttery, perfectly crusted, all from a $10 cut. So that's it. Baste and Tilt, the move that turns home steak into a restaurant steak. So if you learn something new, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me what cut to try next.